Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to set or change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. First of all, we have to switch to the video mode, so just tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it. In this device we've got two different resolutions, so 1080p, which is currently applied, it is highlighted, and 720p. So all we can do is to simply switch between those options, and after tapping on the specific option it will be highlighted. It is also notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. You can also change the frames per second for 720p between 30 and 60 frames per second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.